Hi, it's Marcus from the BlockDAG Academy here again. I wanted to tell you about the work we have been doing in the Academy through 2025 to prepare users to transition to Web3 applications. This has been part of the BlockDAG Academy's mandate, which is to empower users with useful knowledge and skills and help them transition to the next phase of blockchain applications. Significantly, Web3 has some key characteristics such as decentralization, transparency, user control, and ownership. In this session, I will take you through the challenges we have identified and how we are assisting our learners to overcome these challenges and prepare them for Web3. So let's take a dive into these challenges now. These are the challenges that we have identified. Firstly, understanding complex concepts, where users experience difficulty in grasping how blockchain, smart contracts, and cryptocurrencies actually work in practice. Next, security and trust, where users have concerns about scams and data privacy. These concerns stem mostly from a lack of or limited understanding about how security and trust are treated as a priority in blockchain design. And finally, user experience, where users experience complicated interfaces and lack of intuitive design. This is mostly a design issue that we address through the BlockDAG Code Academy. I will talk about the Code Academy in another session. So, how is the BlockDAG Academy addressing these challenges? We have taken a three-step approach to these challenges. Importantly, our approach is in the context of BlockDAG as a Layer 1 blockchain. Step 1 is to provide an educational framework, where we provide structured courses and content related to blockchain technology. You will see this in our Blockchain and DeFi Foundations courses in the Academy. Already we have extraordinary uptake with over 12,000 enrolments into these courses since 2025 and a growing number enrolling every day. Step 2 involves hands-on learning, where our learners can access videos and text guides to specific and relevant topics. Once we have launched Mainnet, we will be extending this further by encouraging practical experience through workshops and projects. This will be a lot of fun and a great learning experience. So stay tuned after Mainnet launch. Step 3 is community building, where through the Academy, we foster a supportive community for learning and networking. This has already been set up in the BlockDAG Academy, and post-Mainnet launch, I will be encouraging greater uptake of this feature of our Academy. To help our learners join the dots with key concepts of how blockchain enables Web3, we designed a curated curriculum. The first stage was launched in 2025. This first stage represented what I called our core topics, which included introduction to blockchain technology, cryptocurrency basics, smart contracts, and decentralized applications. In 2026, after Mainnet launch, we begin the development of Stage 2, which is focused on advanced topics which include Layer 1 versus Layer 2 solutions, Web3 development tools, and the general regulatory landscape. So there is something for beginners, enthusiasts, and developers. Developers will be able to access their content through their own dedicated Code Academy. More info will follow on the Code Academy. So how will we make this happen? In broad terms, currently we are providing a blended learning approach, which includes online courses and community inputs, with examples of real-world use case studies. Our plan through 2026 is to introduce live sessions, practical workshops, mentorship programs, where we can connect learners with experienced mentors. And finally, project-based challenges. We have had a very successful Stage 1 and are looking forward to Stage 2 later in 2026. But for now, we are focused on launching the network. So what are the benefits for users who take advantage of the BlockDAG Academy? We have identified some key areas where we believe users will benefit. I also refer to users as learners, as they will have enrolled into the BlockDAG Academy. Okay, here are the areas of benefit. Skill development, where users learn technical skills for blockchain and Web3 application development. Improved confidence, where users can overcome fears and misconceptions surrounding blockchain technology through knowledge. Networking opportunities, where users can connect with professionals and teams within the Web3 ecosystem. Do we have any metrics for success? Of course. Remember, at the Academy we teach to critical success factors, so here are the ways we will be monitoring our critical success factors. Firstly, user feedback, which will include surveys and feedback from participants. Next is skill assessments, where we will test for pre- and post-course knowledge evaluations. Finally, career advancement, where we will track employment or project opportunities after Academy participation through our talent search application as part of our digital credentialing system. So I hope you found these initiatives as exciting as we did. As we prepare for mainnet launch, the successful launch will be the catalyst to stage 2 of our approach to helping our community develop skills and knowledge to transition confidently into Web3. Again, our number one priority is to launch mainnet and the TGE, so you can expect stage 2 to progress after launch. Okay, thanks for your attention once again, and I'll hand you back to Nick and Jeremy.